Upright vacuum cleaner.
You make sure that your schedule includes time to enjoy the little things. So when it comes to cleaning your home, you need a vacuum that allows you to spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. The CleanView from DYSON has features designed to remove embedded dirt and hair for a deep clean. CleanView has one-pass technology, which provides powerful, non-stop suction and an innovative brush design that cleans on the initial pass. CleanView's one-pass technology couples with a powerful multi-cyclonic suction system to deliver powerful, non-stop suction in an uncomplicated, easy-to-maneuver unit. CleanView comes with premium attachments designed to clean other surfaces where messes may exist. The crevice tool is great for cleaning narrow surfaces.
Top 10 Best Upright Vacuum Cleaner Among the Whole. Let's get started with the list. List number 10. Dyson Ball Animal Upright Vacuum. Dyson Ball Animal 2 has the strongest suction of any vacuum * with even more power for tough tasks. No other vacuum has stronger suction at the cleaner head than the Ball Animal 2. Main features: strongest suction of any vacuum, self-adjusting cleaner head seals, tangle-free turbine tool, whole machine HEPA filtration. List number 9. Shark Navigator Light Upright Vacuum. Never lose suction technology. Lightweight and maneuverable. Large capacity bagless dust cup. Zero maintenance costs. List number 8. Panasonic Bag Upright Vacuum. Plastic, metal. Imported. Powerful 12-amp motor. Auto cord rewind quick draw. HEPA vacuum cleaner filter. Red vacuum cleaner for a touch of color. List number 7. Shark powered lift away TruePet vacuum. Shark's original full-sized. Picks up surface litter. TruePet motorized brush. Power on/off and easily. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. List number 6. CleanView Bagless Upright Vacuum. One-pass technology provides power. Includes turbo brush tool. Multi-level filtration. Cyclonic system. 25-foot power cord. List number 5. Shark Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Powerful and lightweight. Portable and versatile. Never loses suction. Large capacity. Easy to empty dust cup. Brush roll shut off. List number 4. Oreck Commercial Upright Vacuum. Helping hand handle. Automatic floor adjustment. Balanced brush roll. Weighs 8.2 pounds. List number 3. Shark Professional Upright Vacuum. Lift away easily clean. Upright and lift away. Premium pet power brush. Picks up pet hair. Seal technology plus a HEPA filter. List number 2. Hoover Corded Upright Vacuum. Light and easy to use. 5-position carpet height adjustment. Folding handle. Cord rewind with 25. Extension wands provides extra long reach. It has 3 available colors. List number 1. Hoover Rewind Plus Upright Vacuum. Your floors will be cleaner with the Hoover T-Series Wind Tunnel Rewind Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Wind Tunnel Rewind combines Hoover's patented dual-path wind tunnel technology with the benefits of cyclonic technology. Main features: lightweight upright vacuum cleaner. Wind tunnel technology lifts. 25-foot retractable power cord. Product built to North American. Upright vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.